Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Cardano once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you for sharing the content, liking the content, and your subscription on YouTube. So right now you can see that basically Cardano's come up, got overextended, and it's retracing to this low. Okay, and you've bounced off to 786 at 120. You can continue to hold this, come back up the stairs, and get a retracement to this high. Break out, and you've got a new impulsive break just there for Cardano. Okay, and this little sell-off is done. So what we do need to see, obviously, is progression and get back above certain key levels of resistance right now. So you have got a key level of resistance just here, 0618, to get back above it, and equally the weekly 20 EMA at $1.46. So if you can see this week, get the close above that, that's progression basically, and hold a support. I would imagine you're going to start coming back up the stairs and re-tackle this 20. Need to see get back above a 20 to retain this structure, to to keep coming back up the stairs. You've got your low, you've got your higher low, you've got your high, and you've got a high there, and you still you're in some kind of parallel channel coming back up the stairs basically. So you've not lost any structure here for Cardano, okay, so far, so it's good. But you have got a key level resistance to stay on the 55, so we are running into that at the moment. So we do need to see some progression, get the close above 146 by Sunday evening, and that would be a massive statement. Start come back up the stairs, break above the 20, which is at $1.84 at the moment, hold, back test, boom, see you later. I do think you're going to put an impulsive break. Now, one thing we do need to look at, obviously, is the volume. Okay, so the volume, to me, it's quite small at the moment. Even with this sell-off on the weekly time frame, there's not a lot of volume here. Okay, so you can see it's sort of running out of steam, isn't it? If I switch to the monthly time frame just here, I can show you something really quick. So you can see just here, if I zoom down just here, okay, look at this particular trend. Okay, look, you get an impulsive trend, impulsive break, retracement. Okay, look at the volume profile. As you're coming up, you run out of steam, and then as you come down, you run out of steam as well. Look, and then you got that beautiful impulsive break there. Look, you run out of steam, and then you start to come back down, didn't you? You put in that retracement just there, and then again you got that beautiful impulsive break just there, and then again, look, you run out of steam in the sell side, and then what happened after that? You start to pick up with that big leg there, and look what's happening now. Look what's happening now on the monthly time frame here for Cardano. You're coming down, and equally the volume profile is coming down as well. So right now is the volume profile, the trend that you're in at the moment, which is a downtrend coming down to a killer support. Is it running out of steam? You can see from the volume it is, and you can see each time when you start to break back up, you get that impulsive break. Look, the impulsive break, the small impulsive break there, which was that monthly leg, and right now you've put in like basically a 1, 2, 3, 4 month retracement down to a key level support. Right now, if we can start to pick up here, potentially we could come back up here like this, and it's be a nice big green candle in December, and you've basically run out of steam just there. Do you see that for Cardano? So it is trying to break out at the moment, isn't it? So we do need to keep an eye on this moving forward on the 4-hourly time frame. If we take a look at Cardano, so looking at Cardano on the 4-hourly time frame, then you can see here you are making progress at the moment. You are running into this fib, this golden ratio. Okay, you can see, look, resistance, support, lost it, came back down, found support just under 786, and right now you're attacking the golden ratio again. So it's a game of Fibonacci at the moment, okay, and EMAs. What you do need to see is hold this, and this will creep you up like this, and you potentially create some kind of little ascending triangle just there, break that resistance, come back, hold support, and I do think you're going to be attacking that green line just there for Cardano, which is roughly $1.70, isn't it? So once you do start to get through that level of resistance just there for Cardano, you could be in for a 15% long op right there for Cardano. So this is a key level of resistance that you're wicking into at the moment. Do you see that? So that's a key level of resistance of 147 at the moment. You are currently trading at 142, so you get rejected and rolling, but you're holding them 4-hourly 20 at the moment, which is really, really good, really bullish. Now there is a bit of a trend line just there. I'm going to show you that potentially you might fall back to a support because you've broken through it. Okay, look at this little ascending channel that you've got, descending channel, sorry, that you formed for Cardano just there. You see that resistance, and you've broken out just there. You've not necessarily back tested support, so you could actually retest that trend line, and you've got some kind of descending support as well there with the wicks. Do you see that? So there's some kind of falling channel just there that Cardano's created like this, with support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, broken it, come back up, ran into the golden ratio. So if you do start to roll and lose a 4-hour, wherever this trend line is, you might start put some bids on there, and you can see essentially what you could be doing here. It's forming a large W bottom pattern like this. Do you see that? So you've got your wick down here, come back up into resistance there, come back down, hold that support of this trend line, come back up and break that eventually, which will lead to a retest of that resistance up there, 170. So keep an eye on this. Come to your charts, draw trend lines. Okay, so that's basically Cardano at the minute. We're looking for a beautiful reversal pattern. and potentially this could be it, you know, because you've got your point of contact just there. So this is your leg down, this is your leg up, high low like that, and then you've got your ascending triangle, you've got your beautiful double bottom pattern, you break resistance, and up the stairs you go, and you've held the 786 in a fib retracement, okay, and the downtrend on Cardano is complete, and you've found a level of support, and you're starting to creep back up the stairs. So we'll keep an eye on this particular pattern going forward for Cardano, okay. I hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone, bye bye.